I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly and cheaply deposit funds on the Bitget crypto exchange. Let's cover fiat and cryptocurrencies, starting with cryptocurrencies. Step one, if you don't already have a discount to Bitget, you can click the link in the description or use code ATF10X when you're signing up for the platform. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click the link in the description and sign up. Once you're signed up, that's going to take you to a homepage that looks like this. And you're going to have to also verify your identity. To do that, click this tab here, go to identity verification and submit your government issued ID. It'll take you about an hour for Bitget to verify you. Once that is set up, you'll be able to deposit funds on the platform. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to make trades. Let's start with cryptocurrencies. To deposit crypto on the platform, you can open the little menu here, click the deposit button. You can also go to assets and deposit from there. I'm going to click this and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Now, if you're going to be trading on Bitget, you can see most of the trading pairs are in USDT. So that is usually the coin you want to deposit. But if you want to send something else, that is fine too. You will just have to trade it for USDT once you get it on the platform. So let's say you want to deposit Solana or whatever. Bitget has hundreds of coins. Click that, choose the network you want to deposit with, and then you'll get your deposit address where you can copy and paste this into your wallet or exchange that you're sending funds from. Just double and triple check that this is correct. Otherwise, you do risk losing your funds if you miss one of the characters here. Once you send your funds, they should arrive in a few minutes depending on the network. Just be patient and it should arrive. To check where your funds arrived, again, you can click this icon here, go to your assets overview, and your funds will show up here once they arrive. To deposit fiat currency, again, you can go to the deposit tab in the menu or click deposit here and click deposit fiat. If you're curious which fiat currencies Bitget supports, this is the list right here: Australian, Canadian, Swiss francs, and so on. They do not have a US dollar option here, but I'll show you how to deposit USD in a sec. And if you click Australian dollars or the cryptocurrency you want, it'll show you which methods are available. So there's Zen.com, Euros has SEPA, click next, and then you might get this message depending what region you're in. So I can't show you the euros, but you would go through this method here. It wants you to bind your phone number, so you'd have to do that and then go through with the deposit. If you ever get stuck, there is FAQs on the right side of the screen. There are more ways to deposit fiat currencies though. You can also click this buy crypto tab here, and here they have the credit debit card option. Keep in mind, these usually do have much higher fees and sometimes your credit card can reject them, but here you have the US dollar option and a lot more fiat currencies to choose from, as you can see here. Pretty much every fiat currency. Again, higher fees, so be careful. And you also have peer-to-peer trading and a bunch of other methods as well. So you do have a lot of options to get fiat on the platform. However, I do recommend cryptocurrency if you want to get lower fees. That way you can buy crypto on a local exchange if Bitget doesn't support your fiat currency. Moving on to withdrawing funds, it's going to be very similar. Click this icon again and you'll see this withdraw button. Select the coin you wish to withdraw, select the network. If you're curious what the fees are on Bitget, you can see here 15 cents, $1.50. The fees are very low and there's so many chains that you can withdraw with. Solana, paste the withdrawal address here and confirm the withdrawal. It'll probably ask you for a two-factor authentication code. Enter that and send it out. And always double, triple check that address is correct. To withdraw fiat, you'll see this button here. Select the currency you want, and then again, follow through the steps to get it back to your bank account. I do have a full Bitget tutorial on my channel if you want to learn how to do spot trading, futures, and more. And feel free to use the link in the description if Bitget is the right platform for you. Thanks for watching.